Rhinoplasty surgery is a procedure which is a very complex procedure, and to get into the head of your client, what he or she actually desires is a difficult task. But as rhinoplasty surgeon and doing close to now more than 1,000 rhinoplasty surgeries, I have come to a conclusion that the result depends on the mindset of the client also, what they are expecting in their head, and if they are well prepared to undergo the healing period, their healing will go smoothly. Healing does not go smoothly only in those people who try to experiment with their noses by touching it too often. I have seen clients in my office who say, no, I have not touched it, I don't touch it, but in front of me, just after operating 15 days post-surgery, the client unknowingly, unintentionally touches the nose 10 to 15 times in spite of telling them that it can cause to increase swelling, increase distortion. So it is better not to touch the nose in the initial healing period, because the bones are very delicate and they are supported with these fine sutures. And whatever is told in do's and don'ts, please follow it to the hilt. Don't take it for granted that your result will be good just because you paid a particular sum of money. So it is your responsibility also to take care of the newly reconstructed nose. Now what you are seeing on this patient is, अगर आप इसका पहले नोज देखते हैं तो ये बहुत ही deviated था, टेढ़ा था, एक तरफ की ओर जा रहा था. So what I needed to do in this patient was to straighten up her dorsal aesthetic lines and to remove the hump. After straightening her dorsal aesthetic line, the nose looks much more balanced on her face. Removing the hump makes her nose look prettier than before. All these things have to be done in a way where healing and breathing is not jeopardized. इस पर्टिकुलर पेशेंट में आप देख सकते हैं कि मैंने नोज को स्ट्रेट किया है. इनको डिविएटेड नेजल सेप्टम भी था, जो कि मैंने डिविएशन सेप्टोप्लास्टी के थ्रू करेक्ट किया. नोज को स्ट्रेटन अप किया, उसका हम्प निकाल दिया और उसके बाद इनकी ऑस्टियोटमीज करके बोन को नैरो किया. एंड में बिकॉज मैंने इसकी हाइट नीचे की, नोज इज लाइक अ ट्राइपॉड. अगर हम ऊपर से इसको नीचे करते हैं तो साइड के जो एला रहते हैं वो फैले हुए और फ्लेयर्ड अप दिखते हैं. सो इट इज इम्पोर्टेंट फॉर अस टू रिमूव अ स्मॉल स्लाइस ऑफ एला फ्लेयर, जो कि मैंने इन पेशेंट में किया. बहुत सारे पेशेंट्स वरिड रहते हैं कि स्कार ना दिखे. आप देख सकते हैं कि 10 दिन के बाद भी ये जो स्कार है इतना विजिबल नहीं होता. बहुत सारे पेशेंट मैंने देखा है सर्जरी के बाद स्कार को पॉइंट आउट करते हैं. हाँ, अगर आप दिखाओगे और कट लगा है कॉस्मेटिक सर्जरी में तो वो तो दिखेगा, लेकिन द स्कार इज प्लेस्ड इन सच अ वे दैट अ पर्सन, अ थर्ड पर्सन won't come to know that you've got surgery done unless you purposefully show that scar to somebody, and then they'll say, yeah, there is a scar.
For more information, call on these numbers. Our managers would be happy to assist you. And if you want to know about the prices, please visit our website, our Insta page, and check the results of our patients.